Good morning. Now we are discussing a topic called polarization by refraction. We are studying how to produce plane polarized light by a method called refraction. So in order to produce plane polarized by refraction, we consider a group of plates. Nearly about 15 to 20 glass plates are considered. Right? And these 15 to 20 glass plates are called pile-off plates. They are kept in a tube as shown in the diagram, and they are inclined at an angle 32.5 degree with reference to the glass tube. With reference to the tube. With respect to the axis of the tube, or with respect to the walls of the tube, right? And when the unpolarized light is made to incident on this group of plates, the angle of incidence will be 57.5 degree, which is the polarizing angle. Now, a light will be partially reflected and partially refracted. Each glass plate reflects about 15% of the perpendicular vibrations, whereas the 85% of perpendicular vibrations along with the 100% parallel vibrations will be transmitted to the next glass plate, and the process continues, and finally when light exits out of the pile of plates, the transmitted light is found to have only parallel vibrations, whereas all other perpendicular vibrations will be reflected by all the glass plates that we have taken. This is how we produce plane polarized light by refraction. This is the refracted ray, which is plane polarized, a single beam. Now, let IP and ID represent the intensities of the components having parallel vibrations and perpendicular vibrations. Then the degree of polarization is given by this expression: P equals IP minus ID divided by IP plus ID, or that is equal to M divided by M plus 2n square divided by 1 minus n square, where M represents the number of plates that we have used and n represents the refractive index of the glass plates. And by making use of this expression, we can find out the degree of polarization, to which extent this refracted ray is plane polarized. We can find out using this relation. This is about polarization by refraction. Thank you.